Okay, so you go to Google Chrome and search for the social media. I'm going to use Instagram PNG, so you can use Twitter or whatever you want to use. And I'm going to save this image, this Instagram image. And now I'm going to go to phonto. I'm going to click on plain images, change the color to green. Very important, guys. And this should be 1280, then 720, and click on use. So now you're going to click on this 3 dash and get this Instagram. I like to put it in circle, so you could put it in square or whatever shape you want, but I like mine in circle. So now I'm going to really reduce this. You want to really reduce this because it needs to be as small as possible. And then you write your name, Nwosuellah. And then you also really reduce this and place it here. Now I'm going to click on save, and I'm going to open up iMovie and click on these 3 dots and photos. Then I'll get this image, green/blue screen. So yeah, this is it, guys. Always increase the strength. So now you have your social media icon in your video.